hear myself.
So during a meeting, place the earbud in the charging case, keep the lid open like this, and then press record button on the charging case, right?
Very good. What if every conversation you had automatically turned into organized notes, action items, and answers without you doing anything? Today, I'm testing something that feels less like a gadget and more like an AI assistant that actually listens and works for you. This is viaim RecDot. Now first, this is not just a headset, okay? And it's definitely not just a recorder. viaim is an AI-powered tool that captures your conversations, your meetings, your interviews, lectures, and turns them into actionable information. It's like having an assistant that listens, that organizes, and helps you use what was said. So here's the real problem. You record something important, right? But after that, everything falls apart. You either don't revisit the recording, you waste time searching for key moments, or you can miss important decisions entirely, especially if you're a busy person. viaim fixes this by automatically processing everything. I'm talking about transcribing, summarizing, extracting action items. So instead of raw recordings, you get structured, usable output. So let's walk through how it actually works. Before we start the setup, let me quick unbox the device for you, okay? Looking shiny. Charging cable and earbud tips. We have multiple sizes, and pretty much that's it. So while it's charging, I do want to download the app, install the app, the AI note taker, a device, enable permission. Okay, so right now, step number one is, of course, the recording, right? You can instantly start recording. Just tap the earbuds or press a button, right? So if I have the earbuds on, right? Let's say I have them on, right? So basically, during a call, long press the sensor of the left or right earbud until you hear the notification tone to start recording. Then press the sensor again to stop recording, right? So let's see. Yep, I could hear something. Oh yeah, the recordings get downloaded. Nice. So during a meeting, place an earbud in the charging case, right, like this. Keep the lid open and then press the record button on the charging case, right? And as you can see, it started recording. Nice. This is a test. This is a test. We are recording. Okay. Then press the button again to stop. Yep. It did stop. Nice. So after the recording, just go to the recording history page of the viaim app, tap earbud storage and send the recording in the earbuds. Right. So let's say microphone was recorded, convert to text. This transcription will use 2 minutes. You have 600 minutes remaining. Perfect. Generating. Intelligent title, yes. Okay. Oh, so this is exactly my notes for the video. Got it. Okay, and we also have a summary. Very detailed summary. So yeah, meetings, interviews, ideas, it captures everything clearly. For step 2, we have transcription, of course, which we did. The app converts your audio into accurate speaker-labeled text, right? So now the conversation, as you can see, is readable and is searchable, right? We can search it. Then step 3, summary, right? Next, the AI creates a clean summary of the key points. So instead of replaying an hour-long meeting, you can get the essential in seconds. For step 4, action items, right? It highlights tasks, decisions, the next steps, right? There's also an AI Q&A plus post-meeting intelligence, right? And this is where it really becomes powerful, super powerful. So after the meeting, you're not limited to just reading notes. You can actually interact with your conversation using the AI, right? You could ask, things like, let's see, what were the key takeaways from this meeting, right? So let's move this on top. What were the key points, right? I asked. Right, so we have the key takeaways. Nice. Exactly what we're talking about. Okay. Then, of course, any questions like summary, only the decision we made. What did some person say about the timeline, right? And you can even do follow up with deeper questions like, based on this discussions, what are the risks? Because the AI is going to answer you, right? What questions still need answers? So instead of just storing information, you are actively analyzing and extracting insights from it. Nice. So this turns your meeting into something you can query, you can explore, and build on. Okay. Nice. But here's how the workflow continues, right? Now, the app is where everything starts. It captures your conversation and generate the initial results, right? Then the web platform is where you can take it further. You could edit, you can refine your notes, you can expand summaries, you can organize everything more clearly, and you can share or export your final output. So it's a two-step system, capture and generate on mobile. You can refine further and finalize on the web. So overall, viaim isn't just recording your conversation. It's helping you understand, organize, and act on them. And that's the difference between saving information and actually using it. All right. So yeah, interesting device. I'm going to use it. And I'm going to come up with an update perhaps next month. And let's see, battery life, the quality. So yeah, guys, this is viaim RecDot. Interesting feature. Don't forget to, of course, subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed. And see you guys on my next AI product or service I discover. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.